Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Suites Erie. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a good fitness center. Located directly off Interstate 90, the Comfort Inn Suites Erie is connected to Pennsylvania's largest indoor water park resort, Splash Lagoon. It is on the Peach Street, which is central to most shopping, dining and entertainment opportunities in the Erie area. The Erie Zoo, Erie Insurance Arena and Erie International Airport are all in close proximity to the hotel. Hotel amenities and features include free wireless high-speed internet access in all guest rooms and public areas, free shuttle service to the airport, free newspaper, and fresh coffee available 24 hours a day. The 24-hour fitness center and indoor heated pool may be areas where our guests can enjoy themselves. All guest rooms have coffee makers, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and cable television with HBO. Laptop size in-room safes are also provided with an optional fee. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.